Once upon a time, in a village nestled between rolling hills and a sparkling river, lived a young boy named Leo. He was unlike any other, for he had a peculiar passion, a love for the written word. One day, Leo found a mysterious, old parchment tucked away in a forgotten corner of the village library. It was a blank piece of paper, but something about it intrigued him. He took it home, eager to see what magic he could create. With a quill and ink, Leo began to write. He wrote about the vibrant colors of the sunset, the melodious symphony of the birds, and the laughter of the children playing in the fields. He wrote about his dreams, his fears, and his hopes for the future. As he wrote, something magical happened. The words on the parchment seemed to come alive, dancing and swirling in a mesmerizing display of colors. Leo was astonished. He had never seen anything like it before. Intrigued, he showed his discovery to the village elder, who revealed that the parchment was a magical writing paper. It had the power to bring words to life. Leo was overjoyed, for he knew he had found his calling. From that day forward, Leo spent every waking moment writing. He wrote about the beauty of nature, the wisdom of the village elders, and the courage of the villagers. He wrote about love, friendship, and the power of the human spirit. As his words took life, he began to understand their power. He realized that the right words could heal a broken heart, bring a smile to a sad face, and inspire hope in the darkest of times. He understood that words were not just ink on paper, but the essence of human emotion, the very essence of life. Leo shared his words with the village, and they were touched. They felt the warmth of his words, the comfort of his wisdom, and the power of his inspiration. The villagers were forever changed, and Leo was hailed as a wordsmith, a master of the written word. In the end, Leo's journey taught him a valuable lesson. He learned that the power of the written word was immense, and that every word he wrote had the potential to change lives. He learned that the world was a blank canvas, waiting for him to fill it with his words, his thoughts, his dreams, and his hopes. And so, Leo continued to write, filling the world with his magical words, one parchment at a time. And the village prospered, for it was filled with love, hope, and inspiration, all thanks to the words of the young boy who dared to dream.